What's up? This is just a video of my Honda Ruckus engine I'm rebuilding. Just wanted to show you all the internal components and what fails on these things. My Ruckus is a 2006 and the crank bearings are notorious for failing, and mine only had about 7,000 miles on it. And here's the crankshaft, and see this bearing, you can hear it. That's the one that failed. Hear this one. So I bought a whole new crank. Got my cases all cleaned up, ready to go. Flex honed the bore. I'll be reusing my piston because it's in great shape. Lap my valves. Did a little port matching. See my blended the seats in, and it's hard to see, but blended the seats. You know, just cleaned up the casting. Piston's literally tiny, but it's in great shape, so I'm going to reuse it. Rings are good, and check my end gap. These little valves, freaking tiny. So yeah, that is the Honda Ruckus engine. Just wanted to show y'all because I thought it was pretty cool. Peace out.